Let's see what else we have here. Style plug-in, remote distance 5 to 10 meters, compatible app, finger control, UVC, RC, cam, remote master. So they have a website, usams.com.cn. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Why can I barely read that? UVC RC cam. User manual. Also, the entire user manual is at the back. The entire user manual is just a label long. Search and download finger control or UVC RC cam. Plug the product into the earphone jack and open the app. Rotate the product and the cell phone shows earphone volume. Then connection success. Turn the volume to max. Point the product at the appliance. Add the remote control from the app. Choose the appliance type and brand, click the adapter button. And the valid remote control and save it. Pull the product out. Rotate it into non-contact status. As an anti-dust plug. Oh wow! You can use this as an anti-dust plug. Some stuff at the bottom. Shenzhen USAMS Trading Corporated Ltd. Some hotlines there. Use Google Translate on that. All right. Let me take it out now. No, I can't do this with one hand, so I have to pause the video again. Okay, so I flap this up using two hands, and you can, by just pulling it, it claps out. I don't have to cut it. It opens and I can close it back and then it can open again. And now I'm touching the product. Wow. The rubber has a premium feel to it. There we go. It has a brand, USAMS. And I can use this as part of my keychain. And here the product is right now. I can remove this with one hand. Can I? Can I? Okay, so I'm gonna need to pause the video again. Oh, so when used in the keychain, this isn't going This thing isn't just gonna drop. It's very hard to remove it with just one hand. I don't think can I do it? It's easier to remove with two hands, but with one hand it's pretty stuck there. Yeah. Yeah, I felt there's a locking mechanism there somewhere that locks onto this knob at the end. Focus, camera, focus. There, that knob at the end. It locks onto that. So this is the product in all its 5 megapixel glory. Wow, is that's that glass? Ooh, not bad. So next I'll try and attach this to a headphone jack. For this demo I will use a non-functioning BlackBerry playbook. I don't know if you guys remember this device. It's an old device, the BlackBerry playbook. Let me just pause the video. Here we go. So I got my BlackBerry playbook here, and the BlackBerry playbook has a headphone jack here. I don't know if that can be seen. Ow. There, that's the headphone jack of the BlackBerry playbook. It's the BlackBerry logo. But it just placed the thing there. Okay, push. Ooh. Pushes in there. So what you do is you plug it in and you twist it. Oh, it does twist. It twists easily. And then it locks. And that's what I presume will be the starting point for you to do the stuff with it. So that's the end of my unboxing. I will now test the product and see you at the next video, the testing video. Let me just remove this. So I'll twist it until it locks into place. Okay, and remove the thing. It's hard to remove. Yeah. Small. It looks small even in my small hand, on my small hands. Woo-hoo-hoo. That concludes my video. Thank you for watching. Like if you like, subscribe if you want to subscribe. See you.